is Kellen, and welcome back to Flaming Cotton Candy. Yeah! Now, I told you that I will be making another video today. It actually came out not even a minute after the other one. And I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego balisong or butterfly knife. You will need 3 of these 9-point beams, 1 with 3, 1 3x3 T-connector, 1 of these little pegs with even sides, 3 of these pieces, and that is all you will need. And then you will need these little tiny pieces. Okay, so let's get started. You want to take one of your beams, and you want to take the longer end, stick it through like that, so it should look like this. And you want to do that to all 3 of them. Okay. Sorry, the camera's moving a lot. Now, you want to take this little stud, pick a beam, any beam, put it in the side put it in the longer side with the longer one sticking out. Then you want to take your T-connector, connect this one right into, you want to put it 3 up, by the way. You want to put it right on like that, so it should look like this. Then you want to take your 3-point and stick this through that, like so. You want to do it for all of the other beams. And you want to take this is going to be kind of hard, and stick it all of the way on, and then you can close it, and it looks like that. Then you want to start plating it. I made a design on mine. Anyway, if you don't have enough pieces to make a design, don't worry. You do not have to. Sorry about this. Until I get a camera, which should be soon. I'm gonna have to keep using my tablet. And it is kind of hard to position it. Hold up. There we go. Okay. I have it sticking in a shoe. Okay, this is what it should look like. Peace.